Hello friends, welcome to another quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export individual clip from DaVinci Resolve. So to do that, you go to the edit menu and then select whatever the clip that you want to export and right click on the clip and then go to render in place. Click on that. And now you can adjust the setting as you want and then render. Now you select the location wherever you want to save it, and that's it. So friends, this is how you simply can export individual clip from DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.